Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change or customize the app menu on this watch. First we need to open the app menu, and to do that wake up the screen on your watch by tapping on it or pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and to open the app menu you can swipe up on the screen and here we have it. As you can see, we have a bunch of icons on it, and we can customize this menu. We can do a couple things, or maybe even few things, more than couple. We can press and hold on one of the icons, and this allows you to basically move it, and you can grab it and move it around, and then you can release it in a place. Oh, I just created a folder by mistake. But basically you can move the icons, so you can place them in the place you want it to be in. Another thing you can do is to create a folder. So grab one of the icons and drop it on the other icon. It will create the folder. You can name it. And you can also, I believe, change the color of it, like this. And of course you can add more items to it later on. I don't know what this plus button does. Oh, you can basically add more icons to it. Okay. That's what it does. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen. And here we have our folder. You can also uninstall applications here. So if you open the menu, press and hold on the icon, some of them will have this uninstall option and you can tap on it, then tap on OK, and it will basically uninstall the application from your watch. You can change how the list looks like. You can tap on set view, and here you can select if it's grid or list. The list is more like standard one. Basically you have a list of applications, and the grid is the default one and the newer one, basically like this. And last option you can do is basically turn off this option or turn it on, depending on if you like it or not. Show featured apps based on usage. And basically when you open some apps, it has to be more than 5, I think. So let's keep opening the apps. After some time, basically it will happen basically when you use more than one app on your watch. So when you use apps often, they should appear at the top of the menu. Oh, here we have it. You have like a separate list of the apps. It's at the top, and they will always appear right here if the option is enabled. So basically 6 most frequently opened apps will appear right here on the top. And if you disable this option in the menu, it will be gone. It won't appear. So depending if you like it or not, you can enable it or disable it. Okay, and if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this through the phone application, which is also a bit more convenient, I would call it. Maybe not, I don't know. Depending on the person, I guess. It's more clear, I would say, for sure. So on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Galaxy Wearable application. And here we can tap on app screen. And right here we can edit our app menu. And like I said before, or rather like we did before, we can enable and disable the option for the featured apps. We can change the way of the menu being displayed. And we can move the apps in the menu, so we can drag them around. Now I created a folder again. But basically you can grab up and drop it. Come on. It should be easier than this. Just drop it in the place of the other app, like this, okay? You can create a folder like I did before, basically grab the app and drop it on the other app, like this, and you can name it, you can change the color, stuff like that. You can, of course, uninstall the application, so if you press and hold on the app, you can tap on uninstall. And what else can we do? I think that's about it. And of course, once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you customize or change the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.